Hi there! In this video I will show you my super raincoat from IKEA bags. I sewed it because I like this color, I think that this fabric don't get wet, and I just want it. Most likely it will be hot to work in this for a long time, but it is a raincoat, it is always hot in them. So let's rip the bag. It is sewn actually very strong threads. The handles from the bag I will be used for decorative purposes. Maybe as a waist belt. The pattern I took from Mood Fabrics. It is the Lita unisex trench. I begin to cut the parts. Collar. I cut 2 layers, from the main material, the bag, and from a cotton as a lining, so that it was comfortable to the neck. Sleeves. They will be made only from the bag's material. And I will use IKEA tape instead of the strap. The back of the sleeves. Cotton trim, again for tactile reasons. 2 bags weren't enough. The front part is pretty wide, that way I don't cut the bag all the way through. I leave the sides and the bottom sewn together. Second piece of the front. Back. Ideally a piece with a fold, but I have again a construction set. I also make the rain guard as a double. I want the bright back side to look out slightly. You can do 2 rain guards, one on the left and one on the right, but I like a slight asymmetry in my clothes, so I leave only one. Sew the piece along the straight seams, straight stitch, length 3. It will be in the whole product. Turn the piece to the front side and do top stitching. Collar. Straight stitch, turn them out, cut corners and top stitching. Sleeves. Sew the band IKEA not going to the allowances of the sleeves, not coming within 7 mm to the edge. Now connect the front and back halves of the sleeve and stitch the allowances on the one side. Sew the tape fully on. Put the front piece together. I always sew the seam allowances on, without leaving them open, as the material is so hard and I don't want it to touch my body. I sew the rain guard to the front piece along the open seams. I process the trim with IKEA tape. I fold it inside out, sew a straight stitch, turn it inside out and sew another stitch. I sew the trim to the front piece face to face, sew the allowances on the part of the hem, then bend the hem inside and fix it with the details of the front right at the edge and at a distance of 2-3 cm, creating a kind of flank. If you want to put buttons, they will be just between these stitches. I sew on the slat near the mix. Back. I decided to add a lining to the upper part of the back and I sew it closed. I sew the back piece all the way around, adding the center band. I didn't have enough length of the front, it was shorter than the back, and I'm correcting it. I connect the front to the back and only the sleeves need to be sewn in. Maybe it can be done with an open armhole and closed, as you prefer. The bottom of the sleeves on the inside I work with IKEA tape. Sew the long handles from the back to make a belt. Then maybe add a clasp, if I find the right color and right size. I sewed the collar with a straight stitch, then trim the open seams with cotton binding. I added one more IKEA tape to one of the trim flaps, so it would always be visible. I need more IKEA words on my raincoat. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked my idea of redesigning the IKEA bag. Subscribe to the channel and see you in new videos. Bye!